Hey, Merry Christmas everyone. Mele Kalikimaka. I'm about to go paddleboarding in my neighborhood on Christmas Day. Not many places where you can do this around the country, and not many years in Arizona where you can do this. But when you get almost an inch of rain on Christmas Eve, we have a wet Christmas instead of a white Christmas. So I'm gonna jump on my board here. Merry Christmas. Once again, Merry Christmas from Phoenix, Arizona. It's 55 degrees, water's a bit shallow, can't put my fin down, but hey, I can't complain. It's Christmas Day and I am paddleboarding almost in my backyard, just a couple blocks away. So take care, be safe, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. See you guys, bye.